Hi, how can I help you?
I'm thinking of filing for bankruptcy. Do I really need a lawyer?
Well, you're allowed to file bankruptcy without a lawyer. The questions are in English. Do I think it's a good idea? No. This could be the most important decision of your life. Would you perform surgery on yourself?
Could you be more specific? Are there certain hidden traps that people need to be careful of?
Yes. There are legal terms in these simple, plain English forms that you have to know the meanings of. You have to know what property belongs to you and what property your bankruptcy trustee could take away from you or others. You have to know how to value the assets that you write down on your schedules and what are the typical categories of assets that we would write down. Importantly, you need to know what's exempt. Certain assets are statutorily exempt at certain dollar amounts. If they exceed a dollar amount, you lose the exemption over that amount. You have to remember when you file bankruptcy, you're really in a fish tank, and the bankruptcy trustee has the right to see all of your financial transactions for the last 6 years. If you make a slip-up, your friends or relatives could be sued. Most people want to repay their relatives from their tax refund, but if you do this, the bankruptcy trustee has the right to recover the money from the relatives. Oftentimes, there's a waiting period necessary before you can protect assets. You wouldn't know what those trip-up periods are when you file your petition by yourself. You need a competent bankruptcy expert to be able to identify which waiting periods are appropriate in your case and when the waiting period is finished.
I think I have a simple case, so I imagine I should choose the lawyer with the lowest fee, considering that I don't even have the money to pay my credit cards.
Well, that's a misconception. How do you know it's simple? Remember, your objective should not be to get the cheapest lawyer, but to get the one who will obtain you the best results. You have to measure the benefits that you're trying to accomplish and the risks of not accomplishing them properly against the costs that you're being charged. Besides, a good bankruptcy lawyer is not afraid to give his clients time to pay the bill.
What do you have to do to become board certified?
Well, it's not easy to become board certified. First, you have to be in practice specializing in bankruptcy for at least 5 years. Second, you have to take 60 hours of continuing legal education classes over a period of 3 years. You have to be recommended by other bankruptcy specialists and pass a rigid peer review. You have to take a special bankruptcy bar examination that ordinary lawyers don't have to take. Every year you have to file a recertification certificate, and every 5 years you have to reapply for certification. Why put your future financial health at risk without an expert at your side? I'm Paul Hollender, board-certified bankruptcy lawyer. Please give us a call. I'm looking forward to helping you.